Hey KidVestors, Wally here. We've talked about stocks and index funds before, but today, let's break down stock market indexes. You may have heard someone on the news say, the Dow jumped 1,000 points today, or the market dropped 2,000 points. But what does that actually mean for your money in stocks? A stock market index is like a scoreboard. It tracks a group of stocks to give us a quick look at how that part of the market is performing. In the United States, the three most watched indexes are the Dow Jones Industrial Average, also known as the Dow, the S&P 500, and the Nasdaq Composite.
And start learning on the KidVestors app, available on web and mobile. Your future portfolio will thank.
The Dow tracks 30 large, well-known companies. The S&P 500 tracks about 500 of the largest U.S. companies, giving us a broader view of the market. The Nasdaq Composite tracks thousands of companies and includes many technology companies. Other countries have their own indexes. The names and companies may be different, but they work in a similar way. When an index rises, the stocks it tracks gained value overall. When it falls, they lost value overall. But points don't tell the whole story. Imagine one index is at 10,000 and drops 1,000 points. That's a 10% drop. Another index at 30,000 could also drop 1,000 points, but that's only about a 3% drop. That's why the percentage change is usually more important. Your portfolio may not move the same way as an index because it depends on what you own. However, if you own an S&P 500 index fund or your portfolio includes many of the same companies in similar amounts, it will probably move in a similar direction and by a similar percentage as the S&P 500. If you mostly own technology stocks, your portfolio may move more like the Nasdaq. If you own completely different investments, it may move differently from all three indexes. So, just know that indexes show what's happening in part of the market, while your portfolio reflects your specific investments. All right, Wally out.
Hit that subscribe button so you don't miss what's next.